What's the meaning of cartel? Cartel. Cartel.
Cartel. Cartel. A cartel is a group of businesses that work together to control prices and limit competition in a particular industry. Cartels are usually formed by companies that have a strong market position and want to maintain their power by working together with other firms. The result of cartels can be negative for consumers, as they often result in higher prices and reduced choice. Governments around the world have taken action to prevent cartels from forming, by introducing legislation and imposing penalties on companies that engage in this type of anti-competitive behavior.